In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a magazine cover using Canva. This is going to be a complete step-by-step tutorial for beginners. So if you're new to Canva or have never designed a magazine cover before, make sure you watch this video till the end and follow along carefully. Before we jump into the tutorial, let's quickly understand what a magazine cover actually is. A magazine cover is the first page of a magazine, and it plays a very important role because it's the first thing people see. A good magazine cover usually includes a strong image, a bold headline, supporting text, and clean typography that instantly grabs attention and tells readers what the magazine is about. With Canva, you can easily design professional-looking magazine covers without any graphic design experience. Now let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open any web browser of your choice. You can use Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or any browser you're comfortable with. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar and type Canva Magazine Cover, then press Enter. After searching, you'll see the official Canva website appear as the first result. Click on that link. Once you click on it, you'll be redirected to a Canva page titled Magazine Covers. This page contains a large collection of pre-designed magazine cover templates created by Canva. Here, you can scroll through hundreds of magazine cover designs. These templates are fully customizable, meaning you can edit the text, replace images, change colors, fonts, and layout according to your own requirements. This is one of the best things about Canva. You don't need to design everything from scratch unless you want to. On this page, you'll also notice an option that says, Create a blank magazine cover. If you click on this option, Canva will take you directly to the editor with a blank canvas, where you can design a magazine cover completely from scratch. This option is useful if you already have a clear design idea in mind. However, the biggest advantage of Canva is its pre-built templates, which save a lot of time and effort. That's why, for this tutorial, I'll be using a ready-made Canva template and then customizing it step by step. So let's go back to the magazine cover templates list. Now, on the top side of the page, you'll see several filter options. These filters are extremely helpful when you're trying to find a specific type of magazine cover. For example, let's say I want a magazine cover with a grayish tone. I can click on the color filter, select gray, and Canva will instantly show me only those magazine covers that include gray tones. Apart from color, there is also a style filter. When you click on Style, you'll see options such as minimalist, colorful, dark, gold, modern, 3D, and many more. Selecting a style helps you match the overall look of your magazine with your brand or theme. You can also filter by theme, where you'll find options like daily, black, sale, cover, and other categories. There's also a language filter, where you can choose My Language Only to see templates written in your preferred language. Another very useful filter is the Features filter. If you click on it, you'll see an option for animation. When you enable this filter, Canva will show only those magazine covers that include built-in animations. This is especially useful if you're creating a digital magazine cover for social media or online platforms. The filters in Canva are very flexible. You can apply multiple filters at once, remove specific filters, or simply click on Clear All to reset everything and start fresh. Now let's select a magazine cover template. Before choosing one, there's an important thing you need to keep in mind. When you hover over any magazine cover template, look at the bottom right corner. If you see a crown icon, that means the template is a premium template and requires a Canva Business or Pro subscription. When you hover over the crown, it will say, Upgrade to Canva Business to use this premium template. Templates that do not have a crown icon are completely free to use. For this tutorial, I'll be choosing a free template so everyone can follow along without any paid subscription. I'm going to scroll a bit and select this template called Fashion Magazine Cover. Once I click on it, I'll see an option that says Customize this template. Click on that, and Canva will open the editor in a new window. This editor is where all the designing and editing happens. One very useful shortcut you should remember is that if you hold the Control key on your keyboard and use the mouse scroll wheel, you can easily zoom in and zoom out of the canvas. This helps a lot while editing small details. Now let's start editing the magazine cover. At the very top of the design, you can see text like Issue 10 along with a large main heading that says Fashion Magazine Cover. This is usually the main title of the magazine and the first thing people notice. If I want to edit this text, all I need to do is double-click on it. Once I double-click, the text becomes editable, and I can type anything I want. For example, instead of Fashion Magazine Cover, I can replace this text with something like Style, Modeling, Beauty, or any other title that matches the theme of my magazine. The choice of text completely depends on what kind of magazine you're creating. For now, I'm just going to leave this text as it is, so you can clearly see the original layout. If I double-click the text again, you'll notice that a text editing menu appears at the top of the Canva editor. This menu gives you full control over how your text looks. From here, I can change the font style to something more bold or elegant, adjust the font size, and change the text color to match the overall design. I can also make the text bold, italic, or underlined with just one click. There are alignment options that allow me to align the text to the left, center, or right. In addition to that, Canva also lets me apply text effects, such as shadows or outlines. I can adjust letter spacing and line spacing to make the text look more professional and readable. If needed, I can also move the text forward or backward in the design layers so it appears above or below other elements. Now let's remove some unnecessary text from the design. For example, I don't want the text that says Free Gift Voucher. To remove it, I simply click on that text and a small menu appears right on top of it. From that menu, I click on the delete icon, and the text is instantly removed from the canvas. I'll do the same with the gift voucher text by clicking on it and pressing delete. As you can see, both of those text boxes are now completely gone, making the design cleaner. If you want to add your own custom text, go to the left-hand panel and click on the text option. Inside this section, you'll see an option that says Add a text box. Once you click on it, a new text box appears on the canvas. You can move it anywhere, resize it, stretch it, and type whatever text you want inside it. Since I don't need any extra text right now, I'm going to delete this text box. One important thing to remember here is that when a text box is selected, pressing the delete key only removes the text, not the entire text box. To delete the full text box, first click anywhere outside the canvas, then select the text box again, and only then press the delete key. This will completely remove the text box from the design. Now let's move on to changing the image. If I don't like the existing image on the magazine cover, I can simply select the image and delete it. After deleting it, I'll open a new browser tab and search for a female model close-up image. I'll go to the Images section, choose a high-quality image, right-click on it, and save it to my computer. Once the image is saved, I'll drag and drop it directly into Canva. After placing it on the canvas, I'll resize it, zoom it in, and adjust its position so it fits perfectly into the magazine cover layout. As you can see, the image blends really well with the design, and it looks clean, professional, and properly aligned within the canvas. To enhance the image further, I'll click on the Edit Photo button. From the left panel, I can apply filters, add shadows, use duotone, blur the image, or click on Adjust to manually control brightness, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, and blacks. For this image, I'll slightly decrease the whites so the front text stands out more. If needed, I can always click Reset Adjustments to undo everything. Once done, I'll close the panel. You can also add extra elements by clicking on Elements from the left panel. From here, you can add shapes, graphics, stickers, photos, and more. There's also a Design tab where you can search for other templates if you want to switch designs. Now let's talk about sharing and collaboration. At the top, you'll see a plus icon. Clicking on it allows you to add collaborators by entering their email addresses. You can give them editing or viewing access, which is perfect if you're working with a team. There's also a Share button. From here, you can manage access levels and decide whether only you can access the design or anyone with the link can view or edit it. Finally, to download your magazine cover, click on Download. Choose the file type. For magazine covers, PDF Standard is the recommended format. Select it and click Download. Once the download is complete, you can open the file and see your finished magazine cover. As you can see, it looks clean, professional, and exactly how we wanted it. And that's it. This is how you create a magazine cover in Canva from start to finish. By the way, if you want to use Canva and social media to make extra money each month, one of the simplest ways is by creating and selling digital products. It's very beginner-friendly. You can make something like an ebook, checklist, or guide in Canva once, then sell it over and over again with almost no ongoing costs. That means profit margins are extremely high, and you don't need to work crazy hours. You don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. Literally just 3 to 5 hours of work per week can realistically make you thousands per month in profit. If you want to see exactly how this works step by step, start by watching the free video linked in the description.